Hey everyone, today we are talking about best 5 hand shader packs for Minecraft. There are so many shaders to choose from, some are great and some are just. But don't worry, we searched and researched to find out top 5 Minecraft shader packs that will blow off your mind, as well as your potatoes. So without installing them on your low-end PC, let's get into the video. Actually, we are also making a video on Minecraft shader, so check that out. Number 5 on the list is Robobo1221 shader. If you want a shader pack that focuses on water and makes the most abundant substance in Minecraft more pleasing to eyes, then this shader pack is for you. This shader features reflective lighting, night fog, god rays and many more. At last, I would just say, never judge a shader by its name. Number 4 on the list is Chocapic 13 shader. If you are looking for a shader pack which gives you high quality but at the same time gives you overwhelming FPS, Chocapic 13 is a high quality to performance ratio shader, supporting a large range of hardware configuration. Its features are dynamic time of day cycle, bloom, depth of field, volumetric cloud, wavy plant and many more. Number 3 on the list is Silverswap shader. Vibrant shader completely revamps the lighting system of Minecraft and adds advanced effects like volumetric lighting, bloom, ambient occlusion, and reflection. We suggest you to use Extreme, that is high-end configuration, if you are not hardware bound, to get the most graphical experience. Features of the shader are volumetric lighting, bloom, ambient occlusion, reflection, and many more. Number 2 on the list is Complementary Shader. It is a shader pack which tries to be best at everything: performance, gameplay, beautiful sceneries, and compatibility. It gives you most polished graphic or reflection, underwater reflection, god light, and magnificent landscape. I mean, who wants to live in overworld when end look like this? Number 1 on the list is SEUS PTGI E12. SEUS PTGI includes a totally custom software implementation of ray tracing that does not require any RTX graphic card and will work on any graphic card, but high-end hardware is recommended. Unlike previous shader, SEUS PTGI E12 don't try to be best at everything, but is an absolutely best among all other shader. Feature of the shader are it absolutely replicates ray tracing technology to its closest, without any RTX graphic card, and introduce high quality reflection real-time light simulation way before RTX in Minecraft was introduced. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video, share this with your friends, subscribe and stay tuned for our next video on top 5 beautiful Minecraft shaders that give you playable FPS on even high GPUs. Thanks for watching.